Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to create drainage density map. The reason why I want to create drainage density map for the Tafo municipality is that I want to use it to create a flood risk map, flood risk assessment map of the area. This is because high drainage density indicates that there is a greater concentration of stream of an area, and that can make the area liable to flooding. Do you get it? So now, to create the drainage density map of an area, in my very previous video I delineated a river from a dam. Very simple digital elevation model, and I just delineated the river from it. Very simple. So now we already have our streams. So this is the stream of the area. Do you get it? I delineated it from a digital elevation model. Very simple. So you can check out that video. So now that my previous video have given me these streams, I am going to use it to create the drainage density map. Now to do that, the first thing we have to do is that we have to project the river shapefile. So this is the search. You select search, then you write project. Project data management. Then you select the streams. To specify where we want it to be saved, let us look for the folder. Circle file. It's a folder. Let me create a new folder. Drainage density. Then I'll write the name as stream underscore project. Do you get it? Then I'll come here and choose the projected coordinate system. I'm in Ghana, so this is the favorable one. I'll choose that one and I'll click OK. It is done, but it didn't appear here, so I'll go to the folder drainage density and drag it. Now that I have dragged it, I have removed the previous one. So now let us start creating the drainage density map. Let us go to the symbology. At the attribute table we are having this. So you see that the ArcGIS has unique numbers for all the streams. Have you seen that? The first stream is having 1, 2, 3. They are unique. So we will go to properties, symbology, categories. Here it is already selected. Then we add all values. So we are having something like this. Do you get it? So now let us go to the ArcGIS box. So what I meant is that when you go to the attribute table, in your instance, you might have a lot of rivers. Make sure you look at the field that is having a unique figures. Grid code is having 111. It is not unique. Each of the rivers are having 11. It is not unique. So you need to look at the field that is having a unique figures for all of them. Then you use it. Do you get it? Yes. So now we've activated it. So now let us go to the ArcGIS box, Spatial Analyst 2. Then choose density. Spatial Analyst 2, density. You see line density over there. Select it. Then you select the stream. Population field. Choose the same field you selected, the ArcGIS. Select that one. You come here, the folder, then you select it, then you name it drainage density DD. Do you get it? The next thing that you have to do is that you go to the environment. At the process extent, same as your district boundary. Mine is Tafo district. Then you go to the raster analysis. At the mask area, have you seen the mask? This is it. then you choose your district boundary or your study area boundary, then you click OK. Okay. So this is our drainage density map. Have you seen that? So we can go here, you right click on it, then you go to Symbology, reduce the classes to 5. You right click anywhere here, then you go to Format Labels, then reduce the number of significant figures to 1. So you get something like this. Have you seen that? Yes. So this is the drainage density map, and it will depend on you, your own. You might have a lot of rivers in your study area as you are watching this and practicing, but I wasn't fortunate, or I was unfortunate to get this. Yes. So thank you very much for watching. This is how we create a drainage density map of an area. So let me go and choose another color for you to see. Have you seen it? So that is it. Thank you very much for watching once again. If this is your first time being on this channel, kindly help a brother. I am finding it difficult to grow. You can check my subscriber counts right now. Very small, very small. Help a brother with a subscription. Kindly hit on the subscribe button if this is your first time. You can help this video to also go far by your like, your share, and your comment. Yes, so thank you very much once again. My name is Sekovi, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.